Hello and good day. I'm Mark Maurer, Director of Product and Technical Support at BridgePay Network Solutions. Today I'm excited to discuss the YIPPIE Standalone PAX application. When used in conjunction with the PAX Broad Pause application, it is a powerful yet simple payment solution for small to medium business sizes. Keeping it simple is what YIPPIE is all about. Here are the features the application offers. Retail and restaurant support. Tips work on both retail and restaurant setups. Tip adjustment is also supported. Credit, debit, and EBT support. Enable and disable all the card types you would like to support. Sale, void, and refund transaction support. Easy and simple transaction types. Swipe, EMV, and contactless support. All the different entry modes you would expect in today's world. NFC support. Tap your Apple Pay, Google Wallet, or Samsung Pay for payments using YIPPIE. Batch settlement. You can settle the gateway batch right from the device. Multi-merchant support. Load the device with multiple merchants and then select which merchant you are processing for. Great for a hair salon. Some additional features and options. Receipt reprinting. Invoice number support. Cashback on debit. Surcharge support. Signature capture. Receipt customizing. Manager and operator password protection. Duplicate transaction checking. You can also customize the look and feel of the application. Add your logo in a custom color. YIPPIE also has an open batch report for your entire gateway. This means the device can view and edit the last 100 unsettled transactions on your gateway, regardless of how they were processed. Filter the report to your liking. Processing using YIPPIE has never been easier. More information about the YIPPIE application setup and usage can be found in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment.